Okay, this experiment requires you to use a fizzy drinks can with just about a centimetre of water in the bottom of there, so you can just hear it sloshing around in the bottom. There's not very much water in there. You need something to heat the water, and I'm going to use a gas hob. You could use a hot plate, you could use a candle, you could use your spirit burner, doesn't really matter. You want to be able to get that water boiling really well. And you need a pan of cold water. It doesn't need to be a pan, any bowl, but given that we're close to something hot, that's just cold water straight out of the tap. And I'm going to put this on to the hob and boil up the water. Just putting it carefully on there, and let the can come to the boil. Now you're going to be able to have to pick this pan up pretty quickly when it boils, so make sure you've got something you can lift it up with. I've got some tongs here. You could use a cloth, but of course make sure you don't set the whole cloth on fire if you get near to the flame, so turn the flame off before you get the cloth close to it. So let that come up to the boil. As soon as it's boiling, you let the steam come out the top, and you make sure that the steam has displaced all of the air out of the can. You should be able to hear the boiling starting now. So let it boil for about a minute, and you're absolutely sure that all of the water's gone. And then get ready to do the next stage, because you're going to turn off the heat, and as quickly as you can without rushing, pick up the can and turn it upside down so that the entrance of the can is just in the water. I'm going to do that and record it in slow motion, so hopefully we'll be able to see exactly what's happening. What we can see is that as the can went into the water, the air inside of the can was very small, the steam condensed, so there was a very, very low pressure in the can very quickly. And although water could have been sucked up through that entranceway, it couldn't come in fast enough. And atmospheric pressure has pressed on the can and completely crushed it up. Pretty cool.